Well, I just want to show you. See, it turns into ice cream. But I use like maybe 5 or 6 ice cubes. You have to use ice cubes to get it cold. Ooh. This is a real treat for me because it don't have to. We're not using all those calories and all this sugar and all this stuff. See, tomorrow I'll go out to the store. I'm gonna get some cherries, frozen cherries, and some blueberries, and I'll make blueberry shake. Blueberries is good for you, though. It's better to buy it frozen. It's cheaper. Fresh don't last too long, and then it goes bad. And Hey, chef, what's on the menu today? Well, on the menu today, oatmeal. Yeah, but we make out of the oatmeal. Now, I'm not promoting the brand, but this is what I got. And this is all I can get. It's hard to get oatmeal today. You need an old-fashioned. And the only one I got is, I didn't want to pay like $6 for no Quaker oatmeal. I'm promoting the brand, but I'm just saying. This is Walmart's organic. I never bought organic old-fashioned oats before. Okay, anyway. I got this. I didn't know how much this was. There's no price tag. So when I took the bar scanner to scan it, it told me what it was. Man, it's a lot. But what can I do? I need some oatmeal. It's a little damaged container. Sometimes when it's damaged like this, you could tell them and then knock off some dollars off of this. You know that, right there? Okay, so we're gonna make well, I'll show you in the next video. So what's on the menu today? Oatmeal, but I made oatmeal into milk. Okay, that you take 1/2 cup and you put it into. I have an Instant Pot. And it does make it. You can put it in a blender for 4 minutes. Like 4.5 minutes. You put it in. And then you strain it. Hold on a second. So I took the mixing bowl that I use on the mixer. And I poured it in through this. So I poured them, then this filled up with the sap. And I went like that until I get the rest of it all. Some people use a cheesecloth. I got these. You get 2 of these from Walmart. These are Farberware. Makes them. It says Oneida on it, by the way. Wow. Okay. So good quality. It costs like $10. But that was before this pandemic. So I don't know if you can find it. I might have to get it online. But this works great. This is microfine. It gets everything out. You don't have to strand it once. You don't have to do it twice at all. And once that's done, then you can use it. Oop. I didn't bother to do a video on it. Oh, it's that and some oil. So it's just like making the Parboiled rice milk. Same process, but 1/2 cup of the thing. I know there's some of them in the book. It says a cup. That's too much sap. You don't want that. That's thick. That's good for if you want to make a creamer out of it. A substitute creamer for your coffee if you want to. So anyway, we're gonna make chocolate smoothie. I already tested it out for lunchtime. It worked perfectly. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, same blender. Okay, again. Couple ice cubes. I'm gonna use Walmart's baking chocolate. It's unsweetened. Cheap. I only had 2 of these left on the shelf. I had to go back to the store to go get it. Because if I go on anyplace else, it's gonna be sky high, record high price. Holy. Okay. Okay, so like I said, sky high price. This works good. This, I think it's made in oh, it's a product of Germany. I think last time it was a product of another country. I can't remember which one. So you need 2 tablespoons. This is 1 tablespoon. It depends how you can put 3 tablespoons in there. It depends how dark and chocolatey you want it. You know. Then we're gonna take monk fruit sweetener. This stuff is a bomb. Okay, which means good. 1 tablespoon and 2. Nah, that's about it, basically. Oh, let me get the. I use the Vitamix to put the oat milk in there. You could, like I said, 4.5 minutes in your blender to make the oat. Half a cup of oats and some cooking oil, whatever oil you like. I use grapeseed oil. You know, a little salt, and that's it. And then you, once it's made, you just strain it in a strainer, and that's it. And you put it in the refrigerator. About that much. You don't want to overdo it. You put the lid on, and smoothie. Okay, one more time. It's done. Okay. It should come out just like it did before. Oh, not like it did today. I try to do it before I make it. I don't want no surprises. Oh, surprise. Yep. Ooh. And it come out a little bit sticky. Don't. It depends. Ooh, look at this. Yummy, yummy. Mmm. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, delicious. Mm. Oh. 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 I don't want to get carried away. No, trust me, it's really good. You can make it for the kids and the family and save a lot of money. You know, this is the only thing. You have to get this from BJ's. It's cheaper. You can get a lot more. I can't believe Walmart is selling a little package. Can you believe that? It's crazy. Hey, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.